Number 36. You are in charge of selling tickets to the Ben Davis basketball game. Adult tickets cost $4 per ticket and student tickets cost $2 per ticket. You made $360 for the night. Write an equation to model this situation. If you sold 60 adult tickets, find out how many student tickets you were sold. This problem asks us to do two things. The first thing that it asks us to do is to write an equation to model the situation, and then it asks us to find out how many student tickets were sold if we sold 60 adult tickets. So the first thing we have to do is think about our equation. You're going to have to think about what your variables mean, and it makes sense to let A be the number of adult tickets and C be the number of student tickets. And adult tickets were $4 a piece. So if you write 4A, that's going to give you the total amount you received for adult tickets when you take 4 times the number of adult tickets. Then if you write 2C for student tickets, the student tickets were $2 a piece, so if you multiply 2 times the number of student tickets, that'll give you how much money you received for the student tickets. And since you received a total of $360 for the night, set that equal to 360. This is our equation. So that's the first part of our answer, since this is a two-part problem. Next it says, if you sold 60 adult tickets, find out how many student tickets were sold. So you're going to use that equation, and you're going to put 60 in for A. So you get 4 times 60 plus 2C equals 360. You're going to simplify the equation by multiplying. So you get 240 plus 2C equals 360. We're going to move the 240 over to the other side of the equal sign. So that leaves us with 2C on the left. When the 240 comes over, you want to write it second because it's moving over and you're subtracting it. It was a positive here, so when you move a positive front value over, move it over and subtract it. So you have 2C equals 360 minus 240, and go ahead and simplify that. So you're going to have 2C equals 120, subtracting the 360 minus 240. Divide both sides by 2, and you get C equals 60. So they wanted to know how many student tickets were sold. So 60 student tickets. Now you want to go back and check your answer to make sure that it works out. So to check your answer, go back to the original situation and plug in the numbers you know. You knew that we're doing the check right here, so I'll put a check to show we're doing the check. So you take 4 times 60, that's the adult tickets, and plus 2 times 60, because we've got 60 for the student tickets also, and we want to see if that equals 360. So if you grab your calculator and you do, let's see, 4 times 60 is 240, and 2 times 60 is 120, so add that to the 240. Does that equal 360? Yes, it does. So our problem checks out, and you know you're right.